Ooh, very gently. Kaboom! This gadget that I found on Aliexpress, it's pretty cool. And why and what is it? It's a LED rechargeable flashlight camping lantern 5 modes. Super bright portable hanging tent lamp, waterproof hiking, fishing, outdoor. And the price for this gadget starts from $4 and it's going up to $10 depend on where you are living. And because of the LEDs, they are very different LEDs. I ordered one and of course I got it. One more time, no bubbles. Disappointed. And what it says: dual light source, atmosphere, warm light, wide beam light, 5 modes. Okay. Comes together with short Type-C charging cable. The instruction manual, I don't need it. And of course tiny bubbles, but they don't pop. Oh, ooh, finally some kind of enjoyment. Oh. What is this? It's a silicone rubber. Oh, you need to put like this on the top. Okay, we're gonna do that later. And I need to mention, I like this foam piece that is on the power button, so can't accidentally turn on in the package or while shipping to drain the battery. That is great, but these things are very disgusting to take it off. Look, I need to clean that now. Also to remove this sticker. It's annoying me. I can't do it. Okay. Oh, a mark. This adhesive is annoying. Take a look how hard it is to remove it. And yup, it's coming out, but very hard. Oh. Done with cleaning. It's perfect. And let me tell you what is special about this flashlight. It's the LED filaments. Take a look. They're big LED filaments. Oh, and let me show you. Power on. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, 360 in every direction. This is high, medium, low, and turning off. And when you hold the button, it will activate the front white light. This is high, low, and turning off. And in the middle, the LED filament, it's warm light. Beautiful. And it's pretty bright. And you can hang on trees, you can put on your belt. It have a clip. And on this side we have the Type-C charging port. It says that is splash waterproof. I like that word. And this thing goes right here. Okay. Like a hat, and it will be a lantern. Take a look. Ooh, beautiful. little bit, it looks like you know, but never mind. Okay. Let's try to charge it and see how much current is pulling. My USB doctor is this, it's showing the voltage, the amperes, the watts. I'll go this way so we can see better. And what it says, 2.2 watts, 450 milliamperes. Is that healthy? Depends of the capacity of battery inside. So next step is to open this thing and see inside. Let's do that. Oh, easily. Can I pull? Oh, I got feeling like I'm removing the nuclear reactor very carefully and gently. And take a look at those LED filaments. Oh. So we have a small printed circuit board with all electronics and charging circuit for the lithium battery, and it looks very cool. Ooh. You can see on the screen the LED have some weird frequency. But looking cool, like a nuclear reactor. Very gently. Kaboom! Now, let's remove this. Whoa. Take a look at that. The model of this 3.7 volts battery is 14500 and it says it's 500 milliamperes, 1.85 watt hours. Oh, let's see what it says in description. 360 degrees light, hook design, where it says the milliamperes, flashing mode lights, charging time 1 hour, battery capacity 600 milliamperes. They are lying for 100 milliamperes. This battery is 500 milliamperes. Can be fitted here 18650. Nope. You can fit 18650 battery inside. That's why they are using 14500 model of this battery. It's like a AA battery but 3.7 volts, and I think I have a better one, that 500 milliamperes, just to see. Yes, I found it. I have AA size battery, 3.7 volts, 900 milliamperes, and I'm gonna replace it. Beautiful, but not today. Okay, let's put everything back now. Inside the wires, gently. Okay. It's beautiful flashlight, rechargeable, with couple of modes of light, and I love it because of the LED filaments and the warm light. It's beautiful. It looks like a lantern when you add this cap on the top, like this. It's beautiful, with hook and everything. It's practical, of course, for camping, hiking, outdoor. Beautiful. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!